Empty pot. Once upon a time in ancient China, there was a kind and honest boy named Ping who loved flowers. Everything he planted bloomed beautifully, from tiny seeds to tall trees. One day, the emperor announced that he was getting old and needed to choose someone to succeed him. But instead of choosing a prince or noble, he decided to let the children of land compete. Whoever grows the most beautiful flower from seed I give will become the next emperor, he declared. The next day, children from all over came to receive their seeds. Ping was thrilled. He took his seed home, planted it carefully in a pot, and watered it every day. Weeks passed, then months, but nothing grew. Ping tried everything: fresh soil, gentle sunlight, the perfect amount of water, yet his pot remained empty. He felt heartbroken. When the day came for everyone to bring their flowers to the emperor, Ping didn't want to go, but his father said gently, "You did your best, Ping. Take your empty pot and show your honesty." When Ping arrived at the palace, he saw hundreds of children holding pots or colorful blooming flowers. The emperor walked through the crowd, admiring the blossoms, until he saw Ping standing quietly with his empty pot. Emperor asked, "Why did you bring an empty pot?" Ping bowed his head and said, "I planted the seed you gave me, cared it for every day, but it didn't grow. I'm sorry." The emperor smiled and announced to everyone, "This boy Ping shall be the next emperor." The crowd gasped. The emperor continued, "The seed I gave you were cooked and could never grow. Only Ping had honesty to tell the truth." And so, Ping became emperor, not because he grew the most beautiful flower, but because he had the most beautiful heart. Moral lesson: honesty and integrity are more valuable than success or appearances. Always tell the truth even when it's hard, because true greatness grows from honesty.